If you're having trouble with Windows updates, failing on your computer or laptop, there are a number of steps you can follow to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you resolve it. Step 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Windows comes with a built-in troubleshooter that can detect and fix issues related to Windows Update. First, open the Settings app. Press Windows key and I to open Settings. Next, go to Troubleshoot. Click on Update and Security. Then select Troubleshoot from the left menu. Finally, click on Additional Troubleshooters. Now run the troubleshooter. Select Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. Let the tool scan and apply any fixes it finds. After running the troubleshooter, try running Windows Update again to see if the problem is fixed. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve update issues. Restart your PC and then try running the Windows Update again. Step 3. Check for sufficient disk space. Ensure that there's enough free space on your system drive, usually the C drive, for the update to install. Alright, let's get started by opening File Explorer. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and the letter E at the same time. Next, right-click on this PC and select Properties. Now, under the Devices and Drives section, take a look at how much free space is available on the C drive. If you find that there's insufficient space, you can delete unnecessary files or use disk cleanup to free up some space. Alternatively, you could also move files to an external drive to create more room. Step 4 is to manually reset the Windows Update components. If the built-in troubleshooter doesn't resolve the issue, you can try this method. It involves stopping update services, renaming update folders, and then restarting the services. Follow these steps. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as administrator. Next, stop Windows Update services. In the Command Prompt window, type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each: netstop wowserv, netstop bits, netstop crypt svc, and netstop miss a server. Now rename the update folders. Rename the software distribution and Troubleshoot 2 folders. These are where Windows stores update files. Type these commands one by one in Command Prompt, ren c a Windows a software distribution.old, and ren c a Windows system 32 of Troubleshoot 2.old. Alright, now let's restart the Windows Update services. Type the following commands to get things back on track, and once you've completed those steps, type and press. Then try running Windows Update again to see if the issue is resolved. Next, let's check your date and time settings. Sometimes incorrect date and time settings can cause Windows Update to fail. Alright, to start, right-click on the time in the taskbar and select Adjust Date Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also, ensure your time zone is correct. After making any changes, go ahead and restart your computer. Now let's move on to Step 6. Run System File Checker, also known as SFC and DISM. These tools can help scan and repair corrupted system files that may be interfering with Windows Update. To run SFC first, open Command Prompt as administrator, just like we did in Step 4. Then, type the following command and press Enter SFC/scanout. Now, wait for the scan to complete. If it finds any issues, it will automatically fix them. Run DISM, which stands for Deployment Imaging Service and Management Tool. In the same Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait for the process to complete. It may take some time. Once done, restart your PC and try updating again. Step 7. Check for malware. Malware or viruses can sometimes interfere with the update process. Open Windows Security by pressing Windows key plus I, then go to Update and Security and finally Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection and select either Quick Scan or Full Scan. After the scan, if any threats are found, follow the steps to remove them. Then attempt the update again. Step 8. Use Windows Update Assistant or Media Creation Tool. If none of the above methods work, you can use the Windows Update Assistant or the Media Creation Tool to manually install the update. Windows Update Assistant. First, download the Windows Update Assistant from the Microsoft website. Next, run the tool and follow the on-screen instructions to upgrade your PC. Media Creation Tool. First, download the Media Creation Tool. Then run the tool and select Upgrade this PC now to upgrade to the latest version of Windows. Step 9. Perform a system restore. If you've recently encountered the problem and suspect it's caused by a system change, you can try performing a system restore to return your computer to an earlier state. Press Windows, key and R, type rstrui, and press Enter. Follow the prompts to select a restore point before the issue started. Let Windows restore your system and restart. Step 10. Reinstall Windows as a last resort. If all else fails and you're still experiencing issues, you may need to perform a clean install of Windows. This is a more advanced option and will delete all your files, so be sure to back up your data first. Download the Media Creation Tool from Microsoft's website. Use it to create a bootable USB drive or DVD. Boot from the USB or DVD and follow the instructions to reinstall Windows. If you follow these steps in order, most Windows Update issues should be resolved. If the problem persists, it might indicate a deeper issue with your system that might require professional help. Always ensure your data is backed up before making